to increase your computer performance. Clear? Computer performance. How to increase your computer performance? Okay, number one is that what? Temp. Number two is that percentage 10%. Number 3 is that prefetch. Number 4 is ms config, and number 5 is disk cleanup. But what you have to do is that before you're going to use this one, you type win plus r. Okay, so win plus r. So you type here win plus r, this one r. So here it pop up. So here is pop up. You see this one. First of all, what you have to do is that temp. So this is your temporary files. So here continue. This will clean out all your temporary files like your cache, okay, files. Okay, so what you have to do is that select all, click shift plus delete. Okay,
is the history from browser also stored?
yes, everything, but browser is in browser only, but here is for Windows. Okay, so temp is done. Number next is that percentage temp. Okay, so here percentage temp. Okay, enter again. So here is the file, temporary file. So okay, close. The next is that prefetch. Okay, it's done. Then prefetch. Then okay, continue. Then number select all, control A plus shift plus delete. Okay, so you done, nah? So next is that again clear here. Then next is that ms config, Microsoft configuration. Okay, Microsoft configuration. So here okay, so here is your Microsoft boot. Here, see here boot, you can give on advanced, check there advanced. Here you can select number of processor, you select 2, that means it's 2 core. Okay, then next is that maximum of RAM. Then here we have 2 GB, so 1024 MB equal 1 GB, so 1024 into 2 equal 4096 MB, so it equal to 4 GB. Okay, so next is that startup. Okay, so startup, here there is some files that start up. There is some program that start up when you start your computer. So here you just need to disable. So startup, here there is no startup file. If it's there, then you select and click on disable. Okay, and click on disable. Clear? Select and right click and disable. So here done. After that, apply. Okay, so here you can click on restart. If you don't want, then click don't show. This message again, exit without restart. So next is that disk cleanup. Disk cleanup, then here you can select search here. Search here, disk cleanup. Disk cleanup. So here you can select free up disk space on this PC. So here disk cleanup. Okay, or you can use the different. Here you can use this one. Okay, or you can use the easiest way. That is the easiest way here. That is, open your computer, right click on C drive, click on properties, the next properties, click on here disk cleanup. You see disk cleanup. So here will be your files. So you select all this thing, check this one. Okay, after that, this is disk cleanup free up to 2.0 MB. So after that, click on OK and delete. But your computer might be have lots of that, 1 GB or so something. Okay, so you just need to do like this. Okay, this is the first step of disk cleanup. But this time we will clean up the system files. You see here, clean on system files. After you clean up system files, same process you have to follow that step. Clear? What you have to do is that this clean up system files here, same. Okay, you select all. After you select, because this is 0 0, you no need to select also, no problem. Okay, then delete. Clear? So the last step is that the last step for to increase the computer performance, number 6 is that this. Okay, so the last is that this fragment. So same thing, open your computer, right click on computer C drive, then here click on tools, click on here optimize. Okay, optimize and defragment your drive, click on optimize. So here this is never on, so you click first on analyze. After analyze completed, then you click on optimize. Same here also, this is also you can use like that. And after you completed, optimize. So this will increase your computer performance. Okay, that is how to increase your computer performance on your any Windows. You can use this one, 7, 8 or 10. Clear?